Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we'll start numerical 4.10. A block of mass 10 kg is suspended at a distance 20 cm from the center of a uniform bar. The length of the bar is 1 meter. So its center of gravity, where it can be balanced, is exactly at the half length of the bar from its edges. From the center, 20 centimeters away, a 10 kg mass was hanged. So its force was acting downward. What force is required to balance it at its center of gravity by applying the force at the other end of the bar? So by adding this 10 kg weight, we imbalance this rod. So now we have to balance it at its center again by adding the force at this edge. So we have to calculate the mass that will be required to balance this rod at its center. So as the rod is 1 meter long, so the distance from the center to this mass which we will hang is equals to 0.5 meters. Convert this length into the meter. It is equals to 0.2 meter. Centimeter, 20 centimeter divided by 100 will equals to 0.2 meter. Now by applying the principle of moments, clockwise moments should be equals to anti-clockwise moments. First we convert this mass into the force. So the downward force acting at this point is equals to F is equals to 10 kg multiplied by the value of gravitational acceleration, which is equals to 100 Newton. F is equals to m into g. Now we have to find the force here. So force F in the clockwise direction multiplied by the moment arm is equals to the second force that we are applying at the other end multiplied by the second moment arm. So the first force is 10 kg, which is the first mass is 10 kg and equivalent to the force of 100 Newton multiplied by the moment arm is 0.2 meter equals to F2, the force we have to apply to balance this rod at its center multiplied by the moment arm, that is equals to 0.5 meters. F2 is equals to 100 Newton multiplied by 0.2 meter divided by 0.5 meter. Answer is equals to 40 Newton. So 40 Newton force is required to balance this bar. That's all about this numerical. If you understand this numerical, then share my video, like my channel. Thank you very much.